It's Yoga Therapy Thursday. Today we're going to continue our conversation with Tadasana. Now in yoga and yoga therapy, we use the Panchavayus, which are the 5 winds of the body. There's Prana, Apana, Vyana, Samana, and Udana. Yes, today I'm going to talk about Prana and Apana. So Apana is the wind or the energy that goes down and out. It governs things like digestion, menstruation, childbirth, elimination. Prana, anything we take in that nourishes us and circulates. So prana would be, the inhale would be prana. The exhale would be apana. We are always trying to bring ourselves back into balance, into homeostasis, where we are even, like sama, stitihi, even standing. So in some schools of yoga, they teach Tadasana with the feet together. That is more pranic. Some schools teach the feet hips width distance, which is more samasthiti, more balanced. That accentuates apana. So what I want you to do with me right now is to have a sense of that. And then you can use that tool to bring yourself or your students, if you're a teacher, back into balance. So let's start with the feet together. Now remember, the inhale is prana. So drop into your breath. Find the middle of your feet. Everything is in and up. You are upright and balanced. And just notice, is the inhale more accentuated with the feet together, or is the exhale more accentuated with the feet together? You can close your eyes, it might help you to drop in. So take a few breath cycles and just notice what you notice. With the feet together, it's more easy to feel that uprightness, that tone, that movement forward of the lungs, the expansion of the inhalation. So now take the feet hips width distance. Heels and toes in the same line. And then notice the breath. Do you feel that the exhale seems more accessible, more lengthened? If you don't feel that, you might have more of an even inhale, even exhale. You can take your feet even wider apart. That will accentuate the apana even more. Now, why is this important? Well, if you feel like you're upregulated, if you're in anxiety, right now it's winter, it's very vata season, and it's kind of all out there, take your feet wider apart. Have the exhale be more accessible. It will ground you. It will balance you. It will center you. Bring you back home. If you are low energy, if you suffer from seasonal affective disorder and you get more depressed in the winter, well, do your practice with your feet together so you accentuate that up, that open, that length. You'll have more energy. You can use this for yourself. You can use it for your students if you're a teacher. It is one of those tools of yoga, like many, that are so simple and yet so profound. You can keep it in your back pocket and take it out whenever you need it. Happy Yoga Therapy Thursday.